guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a YouTube hop celebrating our new release, Spring Things. So this is our February box of the month. So I'm going to share the contents in the box and some really cute cards that I created. To find the other creators on the hop, use the hashtag N2S Spring Things. Once you click the hashtag, you'll see all the creators pop up. So hop to each video, leave a comment, like and subscribe if you wish, and then come back to my Rafflecopter link. It'll be in the description box to enter into the giveaway. This giveaway will close in 7 days. I'll have the winner announced on my YouTube community tab, or you could come back and click on the Rafflecopter link and it will share the winner. One winner is going to win a $25 gift certificate to Not Too Shabby. So let's dig into the contents of the box here. This is a really cute collection. So you'll get a goodie bag with a little sweet treat and a pack of sequins. We've got a Not Too Shabby sticker and the business information. You can follow us on Instagram. Our new Instagram channel is now not_2_shabby_shop. So I had changed it so it matches the brand better. And please hashtag us at Not Too Shabby Shop. When you do your projects, we love seeing what you create with the items from the box. In this month's kit, we've got some embellishments from Cat Scrubbiness and her embellishment tray where you can pour in your little sequins. I'm going to pour in the one that I opened up for myself. It's really a beautiful mix. Look at that sparkle and shine. And then these are perfect for your spring projects. The colors are just perfect. So that matches the paper just lovely. We've got 2 paper pads, an ephemera pack. We've got 2 stamp sets, super cute. Love this bunny rabbit and all the little florals. And you get a lot of sentiments in there. So this one's called Blooming into Spring. We've got Spring Wishes, Happy Easter, Hello, Happy Spring, Live Life in Full Bloom. And then we've got the cute little gnomes. They're back this month, and this one's called All Ears. And we've got the sentiments, Happy Spring, Bunny Kisses, Easter Wishes, and I'm All Ears. Really super cute. Get a little butterfly, an Easter egg, a little tulip, a mushroom, another flower, and some carrots. Here's the ephemera pack, and I will go through that in detail, as well as these 2 lovely paper pads. They are just super beautiful. We've got Spring is Here and Bunny Ears, and I just love it. So Teresa Russell from Fresh and Renewed with Teresa here on YouTube is our designer for our paper and ephemera and some of our stamp sets. And we also have a stencil from Call Me Crafty Owl. This is really, really cute. So we've got these borders, and then on the back, you've got some samples on what you can do with these. You can color up the eggs, or you can use it without the eggs and just use it with the stripes and the dots, or you can layer them on top. And then for the tulips, we've got the tulip and the stems separate. That way you can color up the stems green and your tulips a color. So super, super fun. I did some cards using that, so you will see samples. So for my cards, let's take a look. So I love how this one turned out. So for this card here, I used the Blooming into Spring, and I wanted to show that you could use all the other stamps in the set without the bunny and make a beautiful card as well. I used the Spring is Here paper pad for my background and then just colored up my images to match. We've got the sentiment, Live Life in Full Bloom, and I added some of those beautiful sequins from Cat Scrubbiness. Let me share the other card that I did with the stamp set. So this one is really pretty. I used Happy Easter for the sentiment. I added some pearls mixed with my flower cluster here at the bottom. So it looks like the little bunny is popping out of this beautiful flower cluster. And she's got some flowers on top of her head, which is super, super pretty. And then I did use the same paper pad for my background here. So I'll share the cards that I did using these two products here. So we've got the all ears and the bunny ears paper pad. And look how cute these cards turned out. I just love it. So of course I just used the color palette from the paper pad. I have the stencil in the background and there are those cute tulips. And then I just layered up my images right on top. So I stamped out 4 Easter eggs and then a bunch of the flowers. And then I have the butterfly in the sky. All done with the oxides. And then the Happy Spring sentiment stamped up there. And then topped off with those beautiful sequins. So same for this one, but I used the eggs and the little stripes and polka dots to decorate the eggs. And then I did some splattering on the sky. We have my sentiment here in black cardstock and Boston white, bunny kisses, and then I did use some enamel dots at the bottom there. So really fun. So if you're not subscribed to the box, you can subscribe to the box by choosing monthly at checkout. That will get you into the club. It'll get you an extra discount. And you're not going to want to miss next month's box. So the best way to reserve your box for next month is to join the club this month. And I'm going to give you a little sneak peek because I just had so much fun coloring in these images. Look at this. Oh my gosh. And then I was coloring in, I got to show you the other stamp set. And then I was coloring in the other stamp set and look at this. How cute is that? How cute is that? So make sure you subscribe if you're wanting next month's box as well as this month's box. So now we have the cards done with the ephemera. I took out a Lawn Fawn die that cuts strips going across, so it made it really easy. And I got to use all different papers from this paper pad, and that made it really super fun for me. So I just put some banners and then some ephemera pieces, popped up some of the ephemera pieces and added some sequins. So I have 5 because I had to run the die through 5 times to get 5 different patterns. Here's another one. That one has Happy Easter. This one has the other sentiment, Happy Easter, and I love that little 2-tier tray. And then I have another piece there. Then we have this one with the Hop Hop Hooray little mug, and then I put the little Easter bunny ears on this egg. And then this one, super, super cute, right? And then a little twine bow on some of them. So I'm going to go through the paper pads for you and the ephemera pad. So I hope you guys enjoy this hop. Don't forget to hop on over to the next person and click that bell for notifications. You'll get notified next time we upload a video. I do want to give you a heads up. There's going to be a huge giveaway on my channel coming up in the end of February. If you hit the subscribe button, you will be eligible to enter into my 10K subscriber giveaway. And it is going to be awesome. We have 10 sponsors and I'm going to have an extra bonus prize. It's going to be a lot of fun and I can't wait to celebrate with you guys. Thank you so much for getting me to 10,000 subscribers. I am almost there, guys. Hit that subscribe button and help me get all the way to 10,000 subscribers. Thanks, guys, and I will see you real soon. Bye, guys.